You're here. You're here.
Apologies.
Just wait.
I don't want to be rude. Sorry.
हाँ माइक तो पकड़ना पड़ेगा ना
सब ready?
एक मिनट
Amit, you have to just face the camera, right? Your eye contact should be with the camera.
देखो अब आ रहा है
Okay, Ishfaq,
मुझे दे
what's the next one? We need back over.
Oh, you okay.
Back over.
तो नहीं सही होगा
चल अब तुम
On. Good. All ready?
चलो पीछे ओके
Amit, could you share some details with us of your recent trip?
Yes, so basically I've come to Pakistan. It was my brother Haroon's wedding. He got married in Islamabad, so everything was really good. But whenever I come to Pakistan, I have to come to Karachi. I love Karachi. I think it's one of my favorite places in the world to visit. And but this time we come to Karachi because we're going to be going to Tar Parker because we want to build water wells there. So I don't know if you remember, I had a boxing event here, which was a couple of months ago, and I said to them that with the money I raise in this boxing event, I will take all the money to Tar Parker and I will build water wells because these people in Tar Parker have no clean water. So what we're going to provide is clean, healthy water for them. We are going to build water wells with obviously there's going to be hand pump ones. But I heard that it's going to be a little bit difficult because we have to dig down even deeper than normal. So that's the reason I'm here in Karachi at the moment. Tomorrow I've had the army who have said to me, look, we are going to let you go. We're going to take you in our helicopter. So I want to thank General Raheel Sharif for arranging that for me and also his team. And they said, look, whatever you need in Pakistan, we are all behind you. So, I'm very lucky to be in this position where I have some good people supporting me and everything. And we just want to make sure that we get the work that we want to do in Pakistan to the right people.
I mean, how many deep wells, water wells are you going to construct?
Brother, I want to do at least 40, 50. I want to do quite a lot. Tomorrow I'm going to go to maybe 3 to 4 villages. And I'm going to be talking to the people. My wife, Royal, is also going to come with me because obviously one thing about charity is she's a woman and she can communicate with the women and I can communicate with the men. So she said she wants to be part of the charity with me now. She wants to support me and she's going to be doing everything with me.
Amir, your amazing decision.